Minister Marion, formerly known as Lady Saw, denied US O1 visa due to her becoming a Christian. Now, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So let me explain that a little bit. Now, the O1 visa is a special type of visa. I'm going to explain it more after we listen to what she has to say. But she was denied this visa, and it's because she's now a Christian. So let you talk and tell you know what's going on. All right, take a look at this video.
When I was Lady Saw, you know, I got all these O1 visas. These O1 visas, they're given to people of status like celebrities. And they, even in this time here when the virus is going around, I couldn't believe that I just now get the letter of denial to say, oh, since you become a gospel artist, we no longer see you as that person with such status, you know. But as I said before, you know, we are a chosen generation. Yeah, man, we royal priesthood, man. Yeah, man, holy nation, peculiar people, man. So when you know who you are in Christ, when it's time, God will take you where you want to be. You know, I don't think you should have any ill feeling about anything, any disappointments, any setbacks or denial, because God will never deny you.
Yes, so now we hear what she have to say. And by the way, people, she wasn't bitter about this. She was just talking about a few things that, you know, she went through, and this was one of them. So it wasn't like a topic she make a discuss about the visa and things. She just said she all right with it because God would never deny her. You see what I say? But I found it interesting, and I also wanted to know what the O1 visa was and how it works. You know what I mean? Who get it and who don't get it. So what I did, I went over to the US government website and I looked at some of the classifications of the O1 visa and what it was. And it says, O1 visa, individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement. And then it explains what the O1 visa requirements are, right? So it's the O1 non-immigrant visa is for individual who possesses extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, or who has demonstrated records of extraordinary achievement in the motion picture or television industry and has been recognized nationally or internationally for those achievements. The O non-immigrant classification is commonly referred to as, and it has 3 different classifications, which the particular one that Minister Marion was speaking about was the O1A. And it says, individuals with an extraordinary ability in the sciences, education, business, or athletics, not including the arts, motion picture, or television industry. And then you have the O1B, which is individual with an extraordinary ability in the arts or extraordinary achievement in the motion picture television industry. And the O2, I feel like people we are travel with them to assist the athletes or the actor or whatever, you know. And you have the O3, which is for spouse or children of the O2 and O1 people them. The people them will have it. All right. So it's kind of crazy now to know that she lose her status because she's no longer a dancehall artist and she's not traveling and performing, and she's now a minister. But you know, from what them explain on the website, yes, she are gonna lose it. You see me? It's unfortunate, but it's kind of crazy, you know. You know that thing say, all right, and whether just make you keep it or gear back or whatever. No, so they not depend that. But you know, I don't know if she sings and travels, travel and perform as a gospel artist. I don't think so. So I was thinking like maybe she could get it back as a gospel artist for sing and travel, because you know what I mean, it's not gonna take nothing for she become a gospel artist. She already know music, and you know she do this now. So I think it would be easy for she become a gospel artist. But people tell me, because me not clear if she travels and perform as a gospel artist, if she did no kind of gospel recording or nothing like that. If you don't know, put that in the comment section, tell me. But yes, that's it in a nutshell, you know. She lose her visa status, the O1 visa. This is not like a regular visa like a person like you and I will get. But You know, she's not bitter about it. She was just talking people again. You know, she wasn't making a big fuss or anything about the visa. So this video is not about that. The reason why I even did this video is just because I'm interested to find out what this O1 visa was. Me hear it, it so nice, you know what I mean? If I forget lucky, I have some kind of something. If you have a O1 visa, I already know what it is. It's just joking. But if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't liked and followed this channel, please like and follow this channel. If you're watching on YouTube and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates.